National E-Repository Limited has revolutionized the way electronic negotiable warehouse receipts are created and managed. With a growing customer base, significant milestones, and strong backing from prominent banks and institutions, NERL is set to benefit from the expanding EWR market. So in this video, we'll explore its achievements, financials, and what makes NERL a standout player in the commodity sector. National E-Repository Limited NERL started its operations on September 26, 2017 and is regulated by Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority as a repository and platform for creation and management of electronic negotiable warehouse receipts. The main business of NERL is to offer a digital platform for the creation and management of ENWRs issued in the warehouses registered with the WDRA. And the company does not have any subsidiary, joint venture or associate company. Also, NERL has more than 9,980 active customers, over 2,000 customers added in financial year 23-24, 76 pledgee banks or NBFCs, 3 CM pledgees, 1,096 unique warehouses issuing ENWR or ENNWR and 99 repository participants across 17 states and 1 union territory in India. And NERL has issued more than 5.5 lakh ENWRs, exchange plus emerging business, for commodities in excess of 59.70 lakhs MT, exchange plus emerging business, deposited in registered warehouses of WDRA. Also, a new milestone was created in the financial year 23-24 as banks crossed Rs 7,000 CR finance against ENWR since inception, which is a clear indication of growing confidence of banks in ENWR. And now, coming to its financials, March 2024 revenue was Rs 10.8 CR versus Rs 9.6 CR in the previous year, which is a growth of 12.5%. PAT was Rs minus 5.0 CR in March 2024 versus Rs minus 5.5 CR in the previous year, which is a growth of minus 9.1%. And the EPS went from Rs minus 0.7 in March 2023 to Rs minus 0.6 per share in March 2024. With outstanding shares of 8.1 CR, their market cap at the current share price stands at 540 CR with a PE multiplier of minus 10.7. And soon all the warehouse storages will be required to use EWR, which will significantly benefit NERL as the market expands. And in comparison, NERL can be seen as the CDSL or NSDL of the commodity market. While CDSL and NSDL are valued at Rs 35,000 CR and Rs 20,000 CR respectively, NERL's current valuation is only around Rs 500 CR. CDSL has a market cap of around Rs 33,453 CR as of November 2024, with a revenue of Rs 907 CR, implying a market cap to revenue multiple of 37 times. NERL reported a revenue of approximately Rs 11 CR in financial year 23-24, given its dominant position in the commodities repository market, supported by its parent company NCDEX and its strong technology and market knowledge. It is reasonable to apply a higher revenue multiple. With a multiple of 50x, NERL's valuation could rise to approximately Rs 540 CR or Rs 66.67 per share. Now coming to its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of the shareholding rights. Apart from NCDEX, the other shareholders of NERL include National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, the largest refinance institution, ICICI Bank, one of the largest private sector banks in India, and State Bank of India, the largest public sector bank in India. And such unique parentage makes it a unique proposition to provide repository services to the Indian agricultural market. And now, if you want to learn more about NERL's unlisted shares or any other similar companies, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.